Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riza Umami with two my friend is David Hudan and Ahmad Sodiki. And we went a tell for you about story of Sumenep, Madura. And the title of Where Did Joko Toles Flying Horse Go? Joko Toles and Flying Horse are like two sides a coin, not the same but one. That's the myth or legend. Flying horses are also an inspirable part of the East Madura or Sumenep area in the present era. Even the flying horse continues to be a symbol of the place. Until now, Sumenep has the status of a district. As told in the chronicle, Joko Tole was born with a light covering his body, something that is believed in traditional society as a sign that he will become a great person in the future. The mother gave birth to him without blood or childbirth, and while growing up in exile, Joko Tole was known to have Kajunilan science skillhold. He used to pat his hand in the embers of the fire. Message the iron that should have been hammered with a pandi tool. Yes, Babat does have characteristics unlike the modern historical writing system, which relies on the tradition of authentic study and information as a spirit discipline. Babat focus more on the literary and artistic side, so that it depicts the main character from the mystical and legendary side more. There the element of the oral tradition or folklore are so strong. And in the course of his life, Chocotole is equipped with two weapons in the form of a whip and a magical animal in the form of a flying horse. Megaram's name. This horse is called a gift from his uncle Adirasa, the magic hermit from the land of Sepuh Dewe or Sepudi. Although the flying horse is a legendary figure, and as mentioned earlier, in its development and metamorphosis at the eastern tip of the South Island, the flying horse has become a symbol. The next, my friends David Hudan and Ahmad.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Sodiki. NIM 191300093. However, in the historical world become the middle way between mythology and facts. The flying horse remain a cup of no inhabitant astor. On the other hand, flying horse mythology is considered a high class boy. Flying horse is just a fantasy, not a little that give a not containing the inner philosophical meaning. Joko Tole or Aryo Kudapanole or Sacha Diningratri was told to death on the way between Dungke Sumnap. Dungke precisely in the Lapataman area. The knight fell ill. Joko Tole at his age prefer to get away from the worldly life. That is why, before the leave, the Sumenep's Kraton terror has handed over to the son, Arya Wigananda. Hearing the pain, the prince picked up his father from his prisoner in Lapataman, Tungke. Although willing Jokotole predict himself will not live until the county capital in Sumenep. The forecast was implied in his will to the sons that if he exhaled lastly on the way, where later the baron broke his body, so that he should be buried. Thank you.
Okay, my name is David Hudanda Diri. My nickname 191391. Okay, I'm here just wanna continue the story of Jogotole. Babat also tells Jogotole that in the middle of the roads, as in the will, the body remains to the west. Well, up to the Kampung Saasa, who now entered the village area of Lanjuk Manding district. Stretcher, the Nata was buried there. In Asta Jogotole there is only a prime tomb, the Jogotole grave, but about 50 minutes in the south there. In the south, there is a tomb as well. It was said that the tomb of the horse was flying, but the other story tells that the tomb was the grave of the stretcher who brought Jogotole Jaso Kotas less other stories. Also in the story of speech, this Jogotole flying horse remains alive to the next years. He is estimated as a supernatural mother or a fine creator. The oral story tells the horse flying to talents. It is once the fairness. The fairness chief Lieutenant Hamzah and Raden Ardi Kusumo to the Sumenep Karaton family in the last dynasty. Said R.B. Muhlis, who is also one of the members of the Sumenep Kesat family. Okay, the last hour says, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.